Today's drink is for anyone who's ever been thrown out of their home. Hi, Huns. Hello, and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. As fans of classic TV know, on November 13th, Felix Unger was asked to remove himself from his place of residence on The Odd Couple. That request came from his wife. Been there, done that. With nowhere else to go, he appeared at the home of his friend Oscar Madison. Several years earlier, Madison's wife had thrown him out, requesting that he never return. This martini variation is inspired by Felix's sad story with a little Oscar thrown in for good measure. To make it, all you do is combine 2 ounces of gin, a splash of your favorite beer, and 2 droppers of mezcal. Shake with ice, strain into a cocktail glass, and garnish with a gherkin. What do you think? It's pretty good. I gotta say, I would have thrown him out too. He would drive me nuts. And on that note, thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to join us Thursday at 7 p.m. Eastern on Facebook for another Liquored Up live broadcast. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.
See you soon!